Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a shutdown shortcut for Windows 11. This is a quick and easy way to turn off your PC with just one click. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is right click on an empty space on desktop. A context menu will appear. From the context menu, head over to New and then click on Shortcut. This will open the shortcut wizard. In the wizard, you'll see a field asking you to type the location of the item. You need to enter the shutdown command. Type shutdown /s/g0 and then click next. This commands tell your computer to shut down immediately. Now you can name your shortcut. I'll call mine shutdown. Once you've entered a name, click on finish. Your shortcut is now created. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a shortcut shutdown for Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.